channel Bean Terrace. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a beautiful plant that you can grow in winter. It's impatiens. It's very beautiful. There are lots of colors like coral, white, pink. I'm going to talk to you about how to grow impatiens, what kind of soil you are going to need, how to prepare the soil, what kind of fertilizer it's going to need. As you can see, this one is two of my impatiens. There are a lot of buds coming out. It feels like a bucket full of flowers. It's very pretty flowers. Follow the instructions and you will also have this beauty in your garden too. It's very easy to take care of it. Watch the video. You don't need to keep it in the direct sunlight, but indirect sunlight must be needed for this plant. So you can keep it anywhere you want. Just make sure there is proper light. Which location you should choose for impatiens? Impatiens are one of the few flowers that grow best in full shade conditions. While you can keep them in your terrace, but you should find a shady place to keep the flower plant. The soil, it's very important. Impatiens need lots of water, so it's important your soil provides sufficient drainage. If you are planting in a container such as a window box or hanging basket, use a well-drained potting soil or soilless potting mixture. You can use coco peat as I have used. I will show you. Coco peats, they retain moisture for 2 or 3 days. They will give the needed moisture in your soil. Enrich your soil with nutrients. Try to use slow releasing fertilizers like cow dung compost, vermicompost, leaf compost. They are very good for impatiens. Fertilize your soil with aged compost before planting. This organic matter will provide your impatiens the extra nutrients they need to thrive. Now I'm going to tell you about how to take care of your plant. Number one thing is you have to water regularly. You have to keep the soil moist. This plant loves moisture. If the soil gets dry, the plant will die eventually. Fertilize regularly throughout the growing season. Regular fertilizing helps encourage healthier impatiens to bloom. Use a water-soluble fertilizer every 2 weeks, or as I have said, you can use slow-releasing fertilizers. I will share with you some very good liquid fertilizers that I use in my garden. You can apply them in your plant, in impatiens also. Impatiens are not very prone to diseases, but red spider mites, they sometimes infest your plants. Aphids is a problem for this plant. You can use a sprayer to water the leaves between 2 or 3 days. Otherwise you can apply insecticide once a week. That will be totally fine. So that's some basic tips about impatiens. Now I will show you how I have repotted one of my plants. Watch the video. Now I am going to repot a small impatiens plant. For that I am going to need 1 portion of coco peat, 1 portion of regular soil, cow dung compost and some vermicompost. Use it in the ratio 1:1:1. Now I'm going to mix it properly. Impatiens prefer humus rich soil, and the soil also has to be moist and well drained. You can use one portion of white sand that will help to drain the water. I have taken a plastic basket to plant the impatient. See, a small impression plant. It also has a little flower in it. Beautiful healthy plant. Okay, let's ready the soil. I have mixed it properly. Now I'm going to transfer it in this as you have seen. I forgot to mention I used the red sand to make the proper drainage for this pot. I will make a different video and I'll show you how to make the drainage properly. The drainage is very important. If you do not make a proper drainage system, the plant will die. The water will get clogged in the pot and it will kill your plant. Now I'm going to plant the impression. If you don't have coco peat, you can use regular soil. That's okay. Just don't let the soil get dry. Coco peat helps to retain moisture in the soil. But if you don't have it, it's fine. Just don't let water get clogged in the soil. That will do. Press the soil properly, otherwise air will be there and it will rot the roots. And now finally give water. That's it. I will show you update about this plant, how it is growing and all. I will also make another video about the food it needs. It doesn't need a lot of care. Just don't let the soil get dry completely. That's it. So that was it. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to share with you whatever I am doing with my plants. I hope you will like this video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.